Now we will start with exercise 3.4. All the questions are based on elementary transformation in which we have to find the inverse of the given matrix, right? So all the questions, the pattern, the steps are nearly the same way of solving the question, and it is very important from the examination point of view. One question of this type is compulsorily asked. So there are two types of elementary transformation. First is row transformation and another is column transformation. So both the method you can apply, but basically we mostly we follow the row elementary transformation, row transformation, okay, to avoid confusion. So because row transformation is little bit like easy, you can say. Anyways, we will start with one question, that is question number first question. It says that using elementary transformation find the inverse of each of the following matrices, right? The first question, they have given us the matrix 1, -1, 2 and 3. It is a 2 cross 2 matrix, so we have to find its inverse with the help of elementary row transformation, right? So the formula for this, you have to remember the formula is A. You have to put A is equals to AI, A is equals to IA, right? A is equals to IA. A is the given matrix. In place of I, you will put the identity matrix I of for 2 cross 2. What is it? It will be 1 0 0 1, right? So at first what will you put here? In place of A, you will put the given matrix. In place of I, you will put the identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 1, and in place of A, you have to keep it A here, okay? You will not put anything, you will keep the A as it is. So what we will get? We will get here 1 2 -1 3 1 0 0 1 and A will remain the same, right? So the process will be this, that this is the given matrix, right? This is the identity matrix. Now we will try to change this given matrix in terms of, we will make it as it is as identity matrix. That means we will try to make it as 1. It is already 1, so we will not do anything to it. We will change this 2 as 0 because we want 0 here. We will change this 3 as 1 and we will change this -1 as 0. So that means our last step should be what? We should get here 1 0 0 1, right? So what we will do for this? Let's start. 1 we have already got, right? So 1 we will not change. So what we will do? We will try to change this 2. What we want here? We want here, what we want here? We want here 0, right? So what we will do here? We will apply row transformation, that is row second, it is row 2. What we will do? Row 2, that means this 2 minus 2 times row 1. We can only do the row transformation. Row 1, this is row 1, this is row 2. We have to change this 2 which is at present at row 2. We will change this as 0. So what we can do? We will keep it at 2 minus 1 into 2. That means row 2 R2 will be changed to R2 minus 2 times R1, right? So what we will get here? 2 minus 2 into 1, 0 we will get. Same thing here also applies. So that means row 2 will change, right? So what we have applied here? R2 minus 2 times R1. R2 is what? 3 minus 2 times R1. R1 is what? R1 is what? R1 is -1 here. So 3 minus 2 times -1, right? So it will be what? 3 plus 2, that is 5. So we have got here 5, right? Same thing we have to apply this side also, LHS and RHS both. So 0 R2 minus 2 times R1. R2 means 0 minus 1 into 2, how much? -2. How have we have done here? That it was 0 earlier, right? R2, we are applying here, R2 is R2 minus 2 times R1, right? So this is this position, R2 is 0, R2 will keep 0, minus 2 into R1. R1 is what? R1 is 1. So 2 into 1, it will be what? -2. So -2 we have written here. here R2 minus 2 times R1, so R2 is 1, minus 2 times 0, it will remain 1, right? So compare again this with this. So we have got here 0 and 1, sorry, 1 and 0, 1 and 0 we have got. Now how we will go in this direction, first we will change this, then this, then this, right? In this direction we used to go. What was our identity matrix? This was. So we have got here 1 we have got, 0 we have got. Next thing what we have to change? We have to change this 5 as 1, right? In place of 5 we want 1. What we will do? We will divide this R2 by 5. If I divide this R2 by 5, what I will get? That means I have to applying R2, I will change R2 to 1 by 5 times R2, right? So R1 remains same, R2 will be 0 by 5 will be 0, 5 by 5 will be 1, right? Same thing in this RHS also, minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5, right? So we are applying. One thing you have to make note that whatever things you are applying, the elementary transformation, row transformation, you have to write here the steps, like which row operation you are applying or column operation you are applying. If you are not writing this, you will not get the marks. You will get 0 in that question, right? Without applying this rule, you have to mention that what row transformation you have applied. This is very important, and these things could change, right? It is not necessary that you have to follow this rule only. The ultimately thing is that I want this identity matrix to be here in this position. Okay, so sometimes the steps could be different, but ultimately the answer should be same. Now what I have got? 1, 0, 1, and here minus 1 is there. What I want here? I want 0 here, right? So I want to change this minus 1 as 0. This position I want 0. How I will do? If I add these two, right? If I add these two, that means R1, I have to change R1. This is R1, position of R1. I have to change R1 as R1 plus R2 if I write. So 1 plus 0 will be 1 only, and minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. So what I will get? R1, I have applied R1 in place of R1. What I have put? R1 plus R2, right? So I will get 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 will remain same because the R2 we have not changed, only R1 we have changed, right? So R2 will remain same. Now R1, what I have done here? I have made it R1 plus R2. That means 1 plus 0, 1, minus 1 plus 1, 0. So this becomes the identity matrix, right? In this place, what I have to do? 1 minus 2 by 5, 1 plus minus 2 by 5, that is 1 minus 2 by 5, that will be 3 by 5, and 0 plus 1 by 5, it will be 1 by 5, right? So that means this is the last step, because I have got here the identity matrix, right? So what will be the A inverse? Then A inverse will be this matrix. So the A inverse will be 3 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, and 1 by 5. So this is the answer, right? Thank you.